Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Sarah, here with my friend John.
Hi there. Today, we're tackling something big: how to speak English without fear. If your heart races or you feel your mind go blank when speaking English, trust me, you're not alone.
Oh, I totally get that. I remember feeling so anxious about saying the wrong thing, I'd sometimes just freeze.
Absolutely. Picture this. You're in a meeting or at a social event. You have the perfect thing to say in your head, but when you try to speak, you freeze. Suddenly it's like, what if I mess up? What if they don't understand?
And that fear is so real. But we're here to help. Today we'll share practical tips, stories, and a mindset shift that could ease those nerves.
Plus, we've got a story about someone who went from fear to confidence. You won't want to miss it.
So stick around. By the end of this, you'll feel ready to tackle your next English conversation with more courage. And if you like what you hear, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.
All right, let's start by understanding this fear. Why do you think we feel this way, Sarah?
For most people, it's a fear of judgment. What if I don't say it perfectly? Will people think less of me? That kind of pressure can make anyone hesitate.
Oh, totally. I felt that way when I was learning Spanish. I knew the words, but the fear of messing up would make me freeze.
And here's the thing. Everyone, even native speakers, makes mistakes. The key is not to let those worries hold you back from speaking.
Right. Mistakes are like stepping stones. They're part of the journey. Let's dive into some tips to help you feel more confident when speaking English. First tip, focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate small wins, whether it's ordering food, chatting briefly, or even understanding a conversation.
Yes, and here's a big one. Shadowing. Listen to native speakers and repeat after them. This builds your pronunciation and rhythm without the pressure to create your own words at first.
Absolutely. It's like training wheels, and practicing with a partner, even a friend, is another game changer. The more you talk, the more comfortable you'll feel.
Right. And don't be afraid to record yourself. Hearing yourself speak can feel strange at first, but it shows you how far you've come and what to improve on.
Here's another one. Try thinking in English. If you're always translating from your native language, it slows you down. Start simple. Think, I'm going to the store, instead of translating each word.
Speaking out loud to yourself when alone also helps. Describe what you're doing, your surroundings, or even just repeat common phrases. It feels silly, but it really works.
And here's something that helps a lot of people. Find a song or poem in English and practice saying it out loud. Poems especially are great for rhythm and pronunciation.
Great tip, John. Also, don't underestimate the power of positive affirmations. Before speaking, remind yourself, it's okay to make mistakes. I'm learning. This simple shift in mindset builds confidence over time.
Yes, and here's one that's a bit out of the box. Use apps like voice assistants. Try talking to Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant in English. It's a safe, judgment-free way to practice and even get feedback on pronunciation.
Brilliant. And remember, consistency is everything. Even 5 minutes a day makes a difference. The more you practice, the more your confidence grows.
Exactly. Don't underestimate small, daily efforts. Every bit of practice adds up over time.
Let me share a quick story about my friend Carlos. He grew up in Mexico and always dreamed of working in an English-speaking country, but he was nervous about his accent.
Oh, I think so many people can relate to that. So what did he do?
He started small, just a few minutes each day. He'd read out loud, join a language exchange group online, and practice daily conversations with friends. Little by little, he got more comfortable. Today, he's living his dream in Canada, speaking English daily.
That's amazing. It shows the power of steady practice. If Carlos can do it, so can our listeners.
Exactly. It's not about being perfect. It's about being brave enough to keep trying, even when it's challenging.
Let's share a few more tips to help break down the fear. Here's one. Try joining a group or class where everyone is learning. Being with others on the same journey helps you feel less alone.
Absolutely. Another tip is to use English in low-stakes situations. Talk to yourself while doing tasks, order your coffee in English, or read the menu out loud.
And try this. Before a conversation, plan just 1 or 2 key phrases. Having a plan helps ease nerves when you speak.
Yes, and visualize yourself speaking confidently. Picture yourself in a conversation where everything flows. This positive mental prep helps you face real conversations with more ease.
And finally, try not to compare yourself to others. Everyone has their own pace, and comparing can add to your anxiety. Focus on your progress.
We hope you feel more motivated to start speaking without worrying about mistakes. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection.
And we'd love to hear from you. What fears have you faced while speaking English? Or what tips helped you?
If this episode was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a boost. And remember, don't let fear hold you back. You're stronger than you think.
Thanks for joining us. We'll see you in the next episode.